Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play. And I'm Rachel. So I want you to join me while I fry some jumbo shrimp and scallops. Yes, I feel like some seafood tonight. So I'm going to fry it up and let you see how I do it and all that good stuff, okay? Hopefully you'll join me and you'll make you some, okay? Alright, let's do it. Okay, oil, this is olive oil in the frying pan. I seasoned it with Larry's seasoning salt, some garlic, and black pepper. Here's the scallops and jumbo shrimp. Okay. I have some cornmeal here and some flour. So I want to mix the two together. I'm going to cut my fire off so it doesn't get too hot on me. So I have about, I'd say a fourth of a cup of flour and a fourth of a cup of cornmeal. Now I want to put the same seasonings that I have on the seafood in the bag with the flour. Make sure you can see. Flour and the cornmeal. Alright, now that I have the Lowry seasoning salt, the pepper and the garlic and the cornmeal and flour mixture, and mix that up. Okay, now I'm just gonna put all the seafood in here. And we'll mix this up well. Alright, now we're going to fry it. Turn the fire back on. Yep, that's hot enough. Do you hear the fire sizzling? Like you hear that frying sound? It's hot enough. Okay, it's all in. Let me wash my hands. Okay, when you see the shrimp turn orange, that's when you know they're done. shrimp are done. Let me show you that. Okay. I'm just going to turn the scallops over one more time. Okay, I'm going to take scallops out now. You see me turn them over again because I want a nice color on them, but I don't want them to overcook either. Cut the fire off. Okay guys, look at that. Huh? How about that? That's all, what, 5 minutes? Okay, let me give you the word. The word of the day. Please keep each and every one in your prayers as we go through these trying times due to the infection that's going on nationwide. Because we can support each other, and that's what is going to bring us through. Okay? Pray for each other. Okay, that's the word of the day. So let me show you my display of seafood. I have some rice on the plate with some beans. Okay? That's what I'm going to eat tonight. 1 second. Okay guys, take a look at that. Huh? How about that? You like? Okay, so let me taste. Okay guys, I'm gonna taste now. Nice and fresh. Wow. So if you like seafood like I do, give that a try. Once in a while it's okay to have some fried food. Why not fried seafood? Okay? Okay, thank you for hanging around. Share the video, subscribe if this is your first time on my channel, and check out my links below. And the word of the day is be safe. Thank you.